Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at replacing some ottoman legs on this ottoman. So I'm going to show you what I got here. These are some of the tools you may need. Definitely probably need a drill, a pair of pliers, screwdriver, things like that. But this is the actual kit that I received in the mail. And I'm just going to show you what it is. So these are legs I'm going to replace on this ottoman right here. They have the old-fashioned rolly legs. They're just falling apart and it's annoying, and I wanted to update this ottoman, and this is a nice way of doing it. So I do a lot of different reviews on my channel, and this is just one, like a how-to video. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this type of content. All right, let's get to it. So what is this? So this is basically a kit that I received in the mail, and I'll leave a link down below in the description on this actual product and some similar items like that. And it comes with everything in this kit. It comes with a screwdriver, but I'm going to use a drill. It comes with the metal. This is the metal plates where you screw in your feet or your legs. Comes with the screws. Comes with the non-slip grips if you want to put them on. But this is what they look like. So they look like this here. So I'm going to actually make it a little bit more modern. I'm going to show you the bottom of this in 1 second. Just want to show you what I got. So these are the legs I'm going to put on. And so let's flip this upside down, show you what I'm working with, and show you how to replace these. Really easy to do. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're enjoying my content. Let's get to it. Okay guys, I'm just going to give you a little close-up of what I'm dealing with. Well, these legs here, see how they're like falling apart and they don't really work well. And this is like an older ottoman, but it's still in really good shape. And I wanted just to change these out and put those nice legs on. So how do you do that? Well, you want to do is take these little staples out. You don't have to take them all out. You just want to peel off a corner. So we're just going to do one corner together, and I'm going to finish it up later on. I'm going to show you the results. So we're going to take this off, and these pop off. You can get them off like that. These just pop off. And then you got to get this old thing out. To get this out, you have to take off some of the staples. To do that, that's why I did purchase also a staple gun. Let me get that for you real quick. Yes, you will need a staple gun. I got that real quick. I just want to show you that. I bought myself a Husky, or any staple gun will do. Again, I'll leave links down below for staple guns, staples, things like that. These are the things, basic tools that you do need to do this type of work. If it's either upholstering or just replacing some of these staples, you can see it's not a ton of work, but it is important to have these tools. So what we're going to do is just start pulling these off first. And you can use either a screwdriver or a pair of pliers. So I'm just going to start pulling these off one at a time, and then I'm going to expose this part. So we're going to do this one part here. I'll show you exactly how it is. You just repeat it for all four corners when you're done. And that's all there is to it. It's pretty easy. And you can kind of reposition it. Have to just take a look and see what's under here to see if this is going to work. Hopefully it will. And let's take a look. All right, I'm going to start pulling these staples out one at a time. And then I'll come back to you and we'll take a look at the actual stuff itself, what we're dealing with. Okay, so I just want to show you what I'm dealing with. So basically the best way to get these staples out, just to show you, is just use a tip of screwdriver and just kind of just pull them out. You know, I don't think I even needed the pliers. These are easy enough to just pull out. You can see they're just coming out. And they always staple the corners heavily for some reason. There's like 8 million of them. I don't know why. That's what they do. So you just get these all out and you'll see this will start exposing some of this material. This is a dust backing. That's what they call this, so the dust won't get underneath that. That's why you have these on the bottom of your mattress and mattress, different things like that. Sometimes you get one that's stuck, get your little pliers, pull it right out. You can see that. So you just need a couple of tools, not a ton. Okay guys, so I end up taking off as much as I can, just this corner, as you can see here, and I actually pulled back some of the leather because I want to use this hole as my center point. That's just the easiest way to do it. That way it just makes sense to do that. And here is the old peg. I'm just going to take that out. It unscrews just like that. Then usually it unscrews, or I take out the old one and unscrew it. And this was the old mechanism. So basically this went inside, this went inside here, underneath that, and it's snapped on. So we don't want to use these anymore. We want to get to new ones. We don't want to use these anymore. So easy enough, right? Here's a center hole. You don't have to center anything. You basically put this in the center of the hole, all right, or as close as you can. And there's some, there we go. There's a little staple in the way. Let's get that staple out of the way. Pull that there. Get your pliers, get that out of the way. All right, and that takes care of that. So let's see, now we have no obstruction, so let's try to, and it might be a good idea to pre-drill these actually. Let me do that. Let me get it. I don't want to crack this wood. This is really old wood. I don't want the cracks. I'm going to pre-drill this out. Let's get your drill and just do some pre-drilling. You don't want this to crack. It's a lot of work, and you don't want it to ruin anything. All right, let me get my drill bit right back, and let's just pre-drill some of these holes. That way you can really guide them where we want these to go. Okay, so that should be good enough. Let's get that off. Let's get the, change this out. And we'll just put these in slowly, not too fast. Yeah, that's good. That's super tight. These are going to be perfect. And drill them all in slowly. That one's good. And the last one. So you can see what I did here. It's just like you're just basically just putting it all back together now. All right, that is good. So that's not going anywhere. You know, if you want to tack all this back down here, you can see we're going to tack this all back. You can see where it is now. You can see how the hole's coming right through here. That just matches perfectly. We'll tack all this leather under here. We'll just tack everything down with the staple gun. And then we're going to put the leg on. And that's it. It's really that easy, guys. You take your leg. Look at this. You just screw it on. Isn't that cool? Look at that. That's going to be awesome. Hopefully you can see that. Get some close-ups in a minute. All right, let me just finish stapling this all together and then put this on and we'll take a look at it, the finished product. And this corner here. Then you just repeat all the 4 corners. It's just that easy. You can do it yourself. You don't have to hire anybody. I'll leave descriptions below for all this stuff, the tools, staple gun, everything you need. Everything's going to be right here. So it's really super easy. And just staple this back together and that's it. You're good to go. That's how easy it is to change the legs on your ottoman or any piece of furniture, really. It's pretty easy. In the staple gun, and we're just going to basically just tack this back down, just like that. And that's it. That's how you do it. That's all you have to do. And then you just put this on. Let me show you how that is. I'll get you a little close-up of that. Okay, guys, so you can see how we got the staples in here. This is all good. And if you want to tuck it in some more, you can. Just want to show you how this works. These just screw into here, just like this. And that's it. So I basically went from this to this, and that's cool. And if you want to put the rubber feet on, if you have hardwood floors, just put those on like that, and you're good to go. That's all you got to do. All right, guys, I'm going to finish up doing this whole project, and I'll show you the end result in about... Okay, guys, as you can see, I put them all on. Took me about a half an hour, actually, to do all these 4 total. And we're going to put these on here just in case we want to put them on hardwood floors later. So these are just a peel and stick, just like you see. Put them right in the center, just like that. And these will help them from moving around. So I'm just going to flip this over in a minute and show you how it looks on the ground. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And the last one. So a project score from 0 to 10, I would say this is probably a level 5. Watch this video and it'll teach you how to change those out. And that is it. Okay, guys, so you can see how they look. I'm going to show you. That's how they look. And the reason why you can adjust these, so if it's like uneven, so you can adjust these. That's why they're on those threads. That's why you can lift them up and down. Real easy. And that's what it looks like. It's just like that. Looks nice, very contemporary. It's not going to move around. That's on hardwood floors, so it doesn't move. You can see how good they look. Okay, guys, appreciate your time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this project. Let me know down below. I'll leave all the links down below for all the tools and items I used. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. See you at the next review.